Hey guys! After such a busy quarter at the end of last year, at the start of 2021, the updates and events have slowed down. It's not necessarily a bad thing, we do need to slow down and take some breather, but it's the second week of February and since there's not much exciting news in our patch notes, I decided to take a look on what was currently in development in the Korean server. And they did not disappoint. A lot of things mentioned during the Calphion Ball last year has now starting to be implemented. Now Google Translate, as we know, is far from perfect, but it is definitely way better than us. So let's just take a read on the patch notes and get our interpretation of things. To start with, PA will be rolling out Guild Home server soon, possibly this month or on the next. As mentioned in the last Calphion Ball, guilds can choose their home channel or server. The number beside the server name does not matter, so if you choose for example Valencia as main guild server, then both Val1 and Val2 is considered as your main server. And while in this main server you will get some additional buff, but not too great to require you to be always on that particular servers. Stronghold and Occupation games is also included in this update, which is likely the server wars mentioned in which guilds from other main servers can invade your home server for additional benefits. Next, we have Life Specific Week, which increases the growth rate of life skills until reaching a certain level. I think this is more directed for newer players, so I don't mind much on it. But one thing that is exciting is the new skill for all Awakening classes. Something greatly needed for many Awakening classes that has been overshadowed by their Succession counterpart. The next update is the Hardcore Dungeon, which is the Deep Sea Horror. These two has been teased during the Calphion Ball, in which the longer you are in the dungeon, the stronger the monsters become. We also have limited visibility as shown in this GIF, and it's something new. I am excited in it. I hope it's the start for better PvE things in BDO. The next thing mentioned is the Ataraxion dungeon, a 5-man co-op dungeon slated to be released in April. They have teased this photo, which is, to be honest, just looks like the ruins in Valencia Castle. But this dungeon does have 4 biomes including forest, desert, seabed, and mountain jungle. Bosses and puzzles are also available in this dungeon, which is another new thing here in BDO. Next, we have the new update in Elvia servers, basically the Hadum's role mentioned in the video link that pops up above. So there will be additional special loots in the server to improve the exclusive accessories found here. They are still trying to balance it though with the current accessories in the market. Then this one is something new. I guess Bloodstorm Nouver is indeed very tough and they will be improving the loot table. Aside from that, oh boy, we have this amazing costume. This looks freaking cool and personally I like it better than Orzeka armor. I'll definitely grind this one out once it's released. We don't know when though, but at least in Korea it is in March to April this year. Anyway, that's it for now guys. Please do subscribe if you haven't yet to get notified to the new updates in Black Desert. See you soon in the next video. Peace!